Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Paulina Brusca. I'm pretty funny looking. This is today's Super Bowl Sunday, and I am going to the store to get us supplies. But we got a storm coming. But I wanted to show you guys Upper Manhattan today and how it looks. Ugh, that's the dirty garbage. We've had no pickup because of the snow last week. So this is 145th in Amsterdam where I live. It's 146 that way. This is all of my little stores. This is where I get my nails done. I have to only walk a few minutes to get my nails done. There's Monkey Cup, where we get our coffee in the morning. Our laundromat is over there. This is way uptown, guys. This is I like to call it the upper west side. There's a lot of garbage on the sidewalk right now because we didn't get pickup during last week's storm. And I'm braving the elements because it's Super Bowl Sunday and I want to go get us some groceries because it's going to be hard to get around tomorrow. This is where my husband and I usually get our tacos on 145th Street. This is our juice store right here. Quizeta. We get our juices in here, but we're starting keto, so we're not getting our juices today. Anyway, this is the snowstorm right now, what it looks like. 145th in between Amsterdam and Broadway in Manhattan right now. Like I said, I'm going to get us some groceries because the way the city is, it'll be hard to get out tomorrow. I have to get some doggy pads because my little puppy, it's not so much that he doesn't like to walk in the snow, it's that I ran out of the little rubber booties and he can't have the snow on his paws. Probably killing my phone right now. Anyway, and these people are running. Can you imagine? They're running. I mean, they're actually running to run. It's not just to get out of the snow. They're actually running. I'm trying to put my gloves on while I'm walking. So this is 145th and Broadway in Manhattan. We're walking just to go get some groceries for Super Bowl. Fred and I's tradition is that we have our own little Super Bowl party. And this is what it looks like. There's the trucks. So I'm a little further down the street now on 145th and Broadway, going to our grocery store. Actually, first I had to go to Rite Aid. And you'll see some of the trucks going by. This is upper Manhattan. And some trucks just went by. Everybody's hustling to get some stuff in. Here's the trucks. This is official Harlem, folks. Super Bowl snowstorm. Roads are pretty dead. Telling everybody to stay home. So funny, I just got home from the store and I turned on the news. That's so funny. And their video is of our neighborhood.